This is the Woohoo Evaporative Humidifier. And yes, that's actually its name. Woohoo! Sounds like it's way too excited to be a humidifier, but let's roll with it. This evaporative humidifier, instead of ultrasonic mist, uses a fan and filter to add moisture. No white dust, no foggy swamp vibes, just fresh air. This thing is perfect for all bedrooms. It's whisper quiet, plus no excessive humidity means you won't wake up feeling like you slept inside a cloud. An advanced filter means that whatever's in your tap water, and trust us, there's a lot, gets taken out. Combine this with some aromatherapy essential oils, and you'll be more zen than a Tibetan monk. Another plus of the fan system is that the moisture gets into the air quicker than average humidifiers, which after all, is kind of the aim. So, all in all, the Woohoo Evaporative Humidifier is cleaner, faster, and perfect for the bedroom, just like a dream.